I was just sent this cuticle pen and oil pack. So these are really neat because you actually get 2 of them. So you can have one in your purse, you can keep one at home. And what they come in a nice little carrying case. You actually just open it up and it has this little tip on there that allows you, like my disgusting little nails, you can actually push back your nails and get rid of any of that extra cuticle and get it all cleaned up. And then you actually can add in the oil just by pressing down on it, and then it rubs it in as well. So it does all sorts of extras for your nails to get it cleaned up, moisturized, and ready so it doesn't look pretty much like my nails do right now. So makes your nails a lot nicer. I mean, it's not a harsh push or anything like that. It just kind of glides right across your nails and just adds that little bit of healthy to them and be able to keep it maintained for the season. These are nice little pens. Like I said, it has that little bit of oil in there to get it all cleaned up and nice. These are great. Keep your hands nice and moist.